What's going on, guys? Andy here with Cut and Clean Lawn Care.
I'm on your lawn, yep. You know we got it going on. It's hot outside, but we're grinding on from dusk to dawn.
What's going on, guys? Andy here, Cut and Clean Lawn Care. And I'm out here in the real world, man. I'm over here at RP's house. We're getting ready to blow all his leaves, so this is mainly going to be a blower video. We got two pieces of equipment. We got STIHL on steel action, the BR700 and the
86.
The BG86?
Yes, I did.
The BG86, guys. So we're going to get these leaves all going. As you can see, his property just runs back there towards the woods. So we're going to be pushing all this stuff up from the front all the way to the back. So let's get a couple little clips of some stuff and get into it.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Well, the 700 definitely makes light work of projects like this for sure. That's what I think this thing dominates in, is especially leaf cleanups. It just has such a big path, a big CFM. It just moves this stuff around like it's nothing. He said he had the BG86. He actually has the BG55, which I was over here using just for a little bit. There she is, BG55. And zoom out. This is something I wouldn't want to use on these leaf cleanups. It's definitely lower end in the retrospective, something that has power. Sorry guys, I didn't do my hair or anything this morning, so I'm rocking this flat bill. It's just been in my truck. Got to deal with it. But yeah, the 55, I wouldn't recommend on these cleanups, man. It doesn't have the balls, if you would say. It's definitely a good blower as far as, you know, homeowner and residential use goes. But it's going to make a project like this take you probably an entire day compared to maybe an hour, hour and a half of something like the BR700. So yeah, no thanks to this thing. Yeah, and I just told Randy to go ahead and grab his lawn tractor. He's got a Cub Cadet. I said, let's just lower the deck, man. Let's just push all this stuff down to the fence and then worry about blowing everything once we're down there, because we're just wasting a lot of time just blowing it. Might as well just grab the tractor and just push it all down there. Remember guys, I told you this once. Walking, feet, transitions, you guys remember. Look at it, pushing it like an animal. He's gonna get himself stuck in that big old pile of leaves, though.
I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more.